Now here is a beautiful poem entitled Puppy and I, and the poet name is A. Milne. So here a very nice conversation between a puppy and an I, and the conversation between a horse and of course a man and a boy. So in this poem, children, you will come to know about a small little boy who is having a first conversation with a man, then the horse, and then the puppy. So let's have the recitation of this poem. You can recite it at home also, you can write it, you can learn it, and just have the explanation also. I'm going to tell you about this beautiful poem. So, Puppy and I met a man as I went walking. So, the boy is telling us that when I was going on, I met a man. We got talking, हम बातें करने लगे. Man and I. Who? The man and the boy. Where are you going to, man? said I. मैंने पूछा to the man कि आप कहाँ जा रहे हैं? I said to the man, and as he went by, जब वो जा रहा था तो मैंने उससे पूछा. So down to the village to get some bread. So the man answered to the little boy when he asked, where are you going? So मैं नीचे गांव में जा रहा हूँ, village में जा रहा हूँ bread लेने के लिए. Will you come with me? No, not I. So the man asked the little boy, क्या तुम्हें मेरे साथ आना है? So this little boy answered, no, not I. Then the next line, I met a horse as I went walking. मैं जब चल रहा था तो मेरी किससे मुलाकात हुई? मैं किससे मिला? Yes, of course, a horse. We got talking. और हम बातें करने लगे. कौन? Horse and I. Where are you going to, horse, today? आज तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो? I said to the horse as he went by. जब वो जा रहा था तो मैंने उससे पूछा कि where are you going? Down to the village to get some hay. Yes, I'm going to the village, the horse is answering. अपने लिए कुछ घास भूसे. He loves to eat the grass to bring some hay. Will you come with me? No, not I. So the boy is again not interested in going down the village with the horse who is going to buy the hay. जो अपना खाना, अपनी घास लेने जा रहा था नीचे गांव में, उसके साथ भी ये बच्चा, ये छोटा बेबी बिल्कुल भी तैयार नहीं हुआ जाने के लिए. And then at last I met a puppy as I went walking. मैं किससे मिला? पपी से मिला. कुत्ते के छोटे से बच्चे से मिला. पपी है. जब वो जा रहा था, we got talking. और हम बातें करने लगे. कौन? Puppy and I. Where are you going this fine day? And the day was really fine and good. So I asked कि तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो इतने अच्छे दिन में? I said to the puppy as he went by. जब वो जा रहा था. Up in the hills to roll and play. And then puppy answered कि मैं तो ऊपर पहाड़ियों में जा रहा हूँ, खूब अच्छा रोल करूँगा, खेलूँगा, इधर उधर उछलूँगा, कूदूँगा. And then he answered, what? The boy. I will come with you, puppy, said I. And then at last the boy agreed to go up the hill with whom? Yes, of course, children, with the puppy. Why? To make a fun with the puppy over there, to play with the puppy up in the hills. So this is what the boy is all happy with the puppy, and the name has been given, Puppy and I. So this is all in this poem, children, Puppy and I. Let's recite it again. I met a man as I went walking. We got talking, man and I. Where are you going to, man? I said to the man as he went by. Down to the village to get some bread. Will you come with me? No, not I. I met a horse as I went walking. We got talking, horse and I. Where are you going to, horse, today? I said to the horse as he went by. Down to the village to get some hay. Will you come with me? No, not I. I met a puppy as I went walking. We got talking, puppy and I. Where are you going this fine day? I said to the puppy as he went by. Up in the hills to roll and play. I will come with you, puppy, said I. And the hard words and the new words for you children: village, hills, bread, hay, roll and play. So this is all in this poem, a very beautiful poem, Puppy and I. So enjoy this poem children. Meet you in the next video with two of the remaining topic that is not in your syllabus, but it is in class 3 grammar chapter, that is subject and predicate, and that is silent letters. So in the next video I'm going to take two of the chapters, then we will start our revision work. So enjoy this poem. This is not in your syllabus. I know you have received your syllabus children, but we have to complete this poem because it is there in your book. So read the poem, recite the poem. It is a very beautiful poem. It will help you out to cover up, to improve your pronunciation and your rhyming scheme. Okay children, so till then, be happy and be safe.